Hello everyone. Our today's question is to find the skeletal electron present in these molecules. First molecule is C2B3H5. Now we know that the carbon have 4 valence electron, boron have 3 valence electron, and hydrogen have 1 valence electron. So BH have 4 valence electron. So we can say that the carbon is equivalent to BH. Now we write the BH in place of carbon. So here C2 means BH twice, B3 and H5. Now total boron is 2 and 3, 5, and hydrogen is 2 and 5, 7. So also B5H7 is right, BH5 and H2. Now one hydrogen contributes 1 electron and 2 hydrogen contributes 2 electrons. So we can write this BH5 2 minus. Now we know that the boron have 3 valence electron where 1 electron makes bond with hydrogen. So 2 electron remains with boron. So BH contributes 2 electron. So here BH5. So 2 into 5 plus these 2 electron. So our total skeletal electron is 12. Now for second molecule, here C2, so BH twice, B4H6. Now the total boron is 2 plus 4, 6 and hydrogen is 2 plus 6, 8. So B6, BH6, H2. Now BH6 2 minus and the total electron from boron 2 electron into 6 plus 2 electron. So this is 14 electron. Now for this molecule B5H9, here BH5 and H4, BH5 4 minus and 1 BH contributes 2 electron. So here 2 electron into 5 plus 4 electron. So total 14 electron. So our correct answer is B, 12, 14 and 14.